to split screen on an iPad, for example, maybe you're in a Google Meet lesson and you want to get up your document, you can use things from the docking bar. For example, I've got my Google Doc here, and just drag them into the screen, and you can make them as big as you want, and therefore I can see the Google Meet on one side and I can type in the other side. I could even then navigate to a web page, again coming up from the screen at the bottom and just dragging in an internet browser, and can navigate to the internet and again adjusting how big it is. Once done, just swipe it across. To split screen on a PC, all you need to do is you need to minimize the window and drag the window as far right as you can. It will then kind of come up with a half screen that it pops into, and you can then select the other thing you want to appear. You can move that bar a little bit left and right to alter how big you want each of those things to be. On a Mac, to split screen, all you do is go to exit full screen, select the green button and tile your window to the left or right of the screen. You can also then select what you want on the other side, and you can alter the width of this so that you can multitask on one screen. Final way you can split screen is with the extension Dualless from the Chrome Web Store. It'll be in the link at the bottom. And you just click on, once you install the extension, click on the extension, click on Dualless, and you can select what ratio you want it to take up. And with this one, and then it will split screen and it will reduce the size of your window to that proportionality, and you can put another window in the other side. And there we go, makes it nice and easy.